friend of mine was having a bonfire, so I sprayed it with the fire extinguisher.
He was delighted.
Someone threw my 70s records on the bonfire.
It was a disco inferno.
I wore my new jacket to the local bonfire and it burst into flames.
Started as a smoking jacket, ended as a blazer.
What was Guy Fawkes' favourite meal?
Bangers and mash.
I wish I'd never got a tattoo of a bonfire on my wrist.
Yeah, a lot of places won't let you in with firearms.
I got my friend an unnecessarily large rocket for Bonfire Night.
He's over the moon.